Hi guys, time for another change. Solar Snowman running on a cup of cold tea at the moment. Not running particularly well. The Cheese Witch is running fine. I think that was cheddar cheese, something like that. It was cheap cheese that I wrapped up and sealed, so that's keeping the moisture in it. It is going mouldy, but it's keeping the moisture in there. That flour is running fine on the Boursin, the sort of creamy cheese. And I thought, we'll stay with the cheese theme. And I bought Focus Tesco smoked cheese, smooth and creamy. So I'm just going to stick the copper in one end, magnesium in the other end. I'll clean that off, that bit. The bit that's actually in the water at the moment is pretty well degraded. I think that'll probably snap as soon as I try and do anything with it. It gets eaten away by the acid in the tea. Well, it gets eaten away by everything, actually, because that's the sacrificial one. The copper stays the same, and that one's the one that gets eaten. Anyway, yeah, push a couple of holes in there and see if it works. I'll put you on a tripod. All right, I'll give that one a little bit of a clean, but it shouldn't need it. We'll stick a little hole at this end. Didn't make it big enough. There we go. So that's our copper. And this one, that might be all right. You can probably see, well, probably not from that camera angle, but that's well eaten up and thin. Yeah, it's very flexible compared to that one. Oh, we'll put it in there, use it up till it's gone completely. If I don't break it while I'm cleaning it. We'll just clean here as well, because if that's not clean, the crocodile clip doesn't make good contact. In fact, quite often that is the problem. It's the crocodile clip not making good contact rather than this being a problem. All right, stick a hole in there, in the whole way. See if we can just get that to go in there. When I did this with the Cheese Witch, the magnesium curled as I pushed it into the cheese, and it went right across the opposite side and made contact with the copper. But I don't think we got any problem there, because that's going to be quite a bit longer. Right, we can see him, so if I connect that up, and we got movement. It will take a little while to settle down. We do seem to have current flow. You might be able to notice that crocodile clip I've actually soldered directly to the copper, because I was getting problems with it not making good contact. Yeah, I don't know how long that'll last for before that magnesium needs replacing. But I do like to maximise my expenditure. Minimise my expenditure. Spend as little as possible. So we'll keep using that until it gives up. Now we'll see if it settles down. It's certainly rocking a bit. I'll come back later and see if it's settled down. It wasn't starting up very well. It was rocking, but not very fast. So what I've done now is I've got the magnesium and the copper in parallel. So the current transfers just directly between the pair of them rather than from end to end. And that seems to have improved him. He looks a lot happier like that. Yeah. So there we go. Cheese Snowman. And for the thumbnail, I've turned that round so we can actually see that it's smoked cheese. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.